Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome to my channel. How are you all
friends?
I hope my
all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trending crochet bags ideas. So don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. These bags designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these ideas. So friends, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique bag designs. You can design your bags with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet bag collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new ideas and new designs related to crochet bags. If you all love these articles and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. It's an useful video for crochet lovers. Please viewers, don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me. Allah Hafiz.